Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. So happy to be here with all of you today.
Yes, it's great to be back. Paul, today we have a super fun topic for our amazing listeners.
Oh, I love fun topics. What are we talking about today, Emily?
Well, today we're going to talk about how music, movies, and books helped us learn English. It's such a joyful way to learn, isn't it?
It really is, Emily. I can't wait to share my experiences. Before we jump in, a quick reminder to everyone, please share this podcast with your friends, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and give us a like. It helps us so much.
Yes, please do. Your support means the world to us. Okay, Paul, let's start with something that's always in my ears, music.
Music. Yes, music trains your ears and your heart, doesn't it? It's so powerful.
It truly is. When I started learning English, listening to English songs was a big part of my day. It helped me learn new words, improve my pronunciation, and understand how people speak in real life.
Yes, it's amazing how you can pick up words just by listening to a song over and over. And singing along, that's super practice.
Totally. When you sing, you're not just listening, you're producing the sounds yourself. It helps your mouth and tongue get used to the English sounds.
Yes. It's like practicing without even thinking you're practicing. That's great.
So, a practical tip for our listeners, choose songs you love. If you like the song, you will want to listen to it many times and repeat them every day.
Yes, exactly. Don't choose a song you don't like just because it's in English. Choose your favorites. I remember listening to a few pop songs on repeat, and I learned so many simple phrases. It felt like magic.
It does feel like magic, and it's so much more fun than just memorizing word lists.
Absolutely. And sometimes you learn new words, but you don't even realize it until you hear them in a different context.
That's true. It's like your brain is just absorbing it without effort.
Wow. Okay, so after music, what about movies and series? These are also fantastic for learning.
Oh, yes. Movies and series bring real English to you. Watching your favorite shows in English helps you hear natural conversations, slang, and different accents.
This is where you learn how people really talk, not just from a textbook. It's so useful.
Yes, exactly. And you can see their expressions and body language too, which helps with understanding the meaning.
My advice for beginners is always start with subtitles. English subtitles, of course.
Yes, that's key. It helps you connect the sound of the word with how it's written. Then, when you feel brave, challenge yourself without them.
That's a big step, but a very good one. It really pushes your listening skills.
Here's a practical tip for movies and series. Repeat lines. Copy the actors. Try to sound like them. And don't be afraid to pause when needed.
Oh, yes. Pause, repeat. Pause, repeat. It's like your own personal acting class.
Yes, it's so much fun. And if you don't understand something, pause, look it up quickly, and then continue. Don't just keep watching and get lost.
That's a very good point, Emily. Understanding is more important than just watching the whole thing without really getting it.
Exactly. And the more you watch the same scene, the more you pick up. It's amazing how many new things you hear each time.
It's true. I watched one movie maybe 5 or 6 times, and each time I understood more and more. It really helped my ear.
Okay, so we've talked about music and movies. Now, let's talk about books.
Books. The quiet teachers. Books build your vocabulary and imagination.
Yes, reading in English teaches you how to use words in real context. It's not just a word on a list. You see how it fits into a sentence, a paragraph, a story.
That's so important. Knowing a word means knowing how to use it. And for beginners, it's good to start with simple books or short stories.
Yes, don't pick a really difficult novel at first. Choose something you can understand most of. Children's books can be great too, or simple readers.
Absolutely. And reading helps your brain think in English. You start to connect ideas directly in English without translating in your head.
That's the goal, isn't it? To think in English. It makes everything faster and more natural.
So, a practical tip for books: underline new words. Keep a pen or pencil with you. And try to guess the meaning before translating.
This is a great tip. Sometimes you can guess from the other words in the sentence. It's like a puzzle.
Yes, and if you can't guess, then you can look it up. But trying to guess first helps your brain make connections.
And sometimes you don't need to know every single word to understand the story, just the main idea.
Exactly. Don't stop every 2 seconds to look up a word. That can make reading feel like a chore.
It's about enjoying the story and letting your brain learn naturally.
So, Emily, what's the big lesson we're learning here with music, movies, and books?
The big lesson, Paul, is make it fun. Learn with what you enjoy.
Yes. Don't force boring content. If you hate a type of music, don't listen to it just for English. If you don't like action movies, don't watch them.
Right. Use music, movies, and books that you actually like. That way, learning feels natural and not like work.
This is so important for staying motivated. If it's fun, you want to do it more. And the more you do it, the more you learn. Simple.
Yes, exactly. Learning should be a joy, not a burden. So pick your favorite songs, your favorite movie genres, your favorite types of stories.
And there are so many options out there now. It's wonderful.
Okay, Paul. Another super important point is about repetition.
Repetition. Repetition is your best friend in language learning, isn't it?
It really is. The more you hear and see the same words, the faster your brain learns. It's how children learn their first language. They hear things many, many times.
That's so true. So, for our listeners, this means watch the same movie again.
Yes, or your favorite episode of a series. You'll be surprised how much more you understand the second or third time.
And sing the same song many times. Don't just listen once. Listen many times, sing along many times.
And if you read a chapter in a book, maybe read the same chapter twice, or even an entire short story.
Yes. Each time, your brain will pick up something new, or something will become clearer. It's amazing how our brains work with repetition.
It really is. It builds stronger connections in your brain, helping you remember words and phrases more easily.
Emily, there's a big temptation for new learners, and it's something we should talk about.
Oh, I know what you mean, Paul. It's the desire to translate everything.
Yes, my advice is don't try to translate everything. It can slow you down and make learning feel difficult.
Sometimes it's better to learn by feeling the meaning. You get the general idea even if you don't know every single word.
Exactly. Focus on understanding the message, not every word, especially when you're watching a movie or listening to a song.
If you stop to translate every word, you miss the flow of the conversation or the story. It's like trying to catch every raindrop instead of just enjoying the rain.
That's a great way to put it. Sometimes the meaning just comes from the context, from the situation.
Yes, and your brain is smart. It will connect the dots over time, especially with repetition.
So we've talked about not translating everything. But Emily, what about subtitles and lyrics? Are they good?
Oh, absolutely, Paul. Use subtitles and lyrics as tools. They are fantastic helpers, especially when you are starting.
Yes, English subtitles can help you connect sounds to words. You hear hello, and you see Hello. It makes the connection strong.
Exactly. And for music, song lyrics are a great way to read and listen at the same time. You can sing along and read the words, and it helps with both pronunciation and vocabulary.
I remember printing out lyrics for my favorite songs and following along. It felt like a treasure map.
A treasure map to English. That's wonderful. Don't be afraid to use these tools. They are there to help your learning journey.
They really bridge the gap between hearing and understanding. Super useful.
Paul, we've talked a lot about listening and reading, but what about speaking?
Yes. Speaking is so important. It's vital to speak out loud. Train your mouth.
Yes, it's not enough just to listen and read. You need to make the sounds yourself. Say words from your book.
Yes, don't just read in your head. Say the words out loud. Feel your mouth making the English sounds.
And repeat lines from a movie. Try to copy the actor's pronunciation and intonation.
And, of course, sing lyrics aloud. That's a fantastic way to practice speaking without even thinking about it.
Speaking is key to fluency, isn't it? If you want to speak English, you must practice speaking.
It builds muscle memory in your mouth and tongue. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Don't be shy.
Even if you are alone, speak out loud. It's your practice space. Your mouth needs practice, just like your ears and eyes.
Paul, one of the best things I learned from movies and music wasn't just single words. It was something else.
Ooh, I know. It's about learning expressions and real-life phrases.
Yes. TV shows and songs teach you how people really speak, not just formal English from textbooks.
Exactly. You learn things like, "What's up?" instead of just, "How are you?" Or, "No way," when you're surprised.
Or, "I'm just kidding," when you say something funny. These are the natural ways people talk every day.
And these phrases make your English sound more natural, more like a native speaker.
It's like getting a secret pass to real conversations. These expressions make your English more colorful and alive.
They are so important for connecting with people and understanding natural conversations. Paul, as we finish up today, I think it's important to remember something very special.
Yes, Emily. It's a beautiful thought. It's that God can use anything to help you grow.
That's right. Music, movies, and books are not just entertainment. They are gifts.
Yes, and God can use all of them to help you learn and grow in your journey. Not just in English, but in many ways.
It's amazing how even simple things like a song or a movie can be tools for our growth and learning.
So, when you were enjoying a song or watching a movie in English, remember that it's not just fun. It's also a way to learn, a way to grow.
And a way to connect with others and the world. It's a wonderful blessing.
So, to all our amazing listeners, don't give up. Your efforts are wonderful.
And remember, your voice matters. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep enjoying your English journey.
Yes, and a final reminder before we go, please subscribe to Mr. English channel, share this episode with your friends who are learning English, and leave a comment below. Tell us, what is your favorite song, movie, or book that helped you learn English?
We would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for joining us today on Mr. English Channel.
Bye for now, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye. Keep learning.